In this video, we're going to look at the best way to create a successful thank you page. To review, the conversion process begins when a visitor clicks on a call to action or CTA. Then the visitor learns about your offer, fills out a form on your landing page and becomes a lead. Finally, the converted lead is taken to a thank you page where the offer is delivered. A thank you page, as the name implies, allows you to thank the new lead for signing up to get the offer, but also provides some additional direction on what the lead might want to look at next. By simply thanking a lead with an inline message, you'd be missing out on a huge opportunity for additional engagement with the lead. Thank you pages are a great way to thank your leads for their interest in your offer and give them a little more information, which hopefully moves the leads just a little bit closer to becoming a customer. Let's look at how to create a successful thank you page. Now here's how your thank you page should look. Thank them. No brainer, right? But some PTs overlook this step because they feel as though they are giving the value, so the lead should be thanking them. Wrong. You're a service provider and someone has just given you a precious piece of information. Remind them of what they signed up for. You're going to ask the user to take another step in your funnel by confirming their email. This means that the lead has to do some work, so you need to remind them why it's worth it for them to navigate to their email client and confirm their subscription with you. Explain the double opt-in process and explain to them how they opt into your email and how to mark the emails as important so they don't get filed in the spam folder. Additionally, your thank you page should display the site's navigation menu. Unlike the landing page where you keep the focus on the offer and minimize navigational options, you'll want to give your leads every opportunity to look around after they've converted and reach your thank you page. Now, if you want to make a more advanced thank you page, you could also include another offer that might be of interest. You may also include social options to further encourage engagement.